జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 300th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం ప్రభవే నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you have capacity to attract each and every entity in this entire creation. O Srimannarayana, there are people with different mindsets and different tastes. There are so many other animals and other entities with different mindsets. But you have so many wonderful divine qualities, attributes, so that you can captivate, you can attract all levels of people and all entities. That is your capacity. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Prabhave Namaha. Om Prabhave Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami showing entire Chitrakuta Parvatam to Sitamma. In that process, Ramachandra Swami showing Ganga Nadi also to Sitamma, saying that, "Oh Sita, look at that. There are so many variety flowers are there on both banks of Ganga. With that, Ganga Nadi is looking so beautiful. Oh Sita, look at that. So many animals as a group, they are coming and drinking the water in Ganga Nadi. Look at that scene, how beautiful it is looking. Oh Sita, now I am feeling like having a dip in this Ganga Nadi. Oh Sita, look at that scene. All the people, they are having matted hair and they are wearing a Naravastram like Uttariyam, top cloth, and with all kind of Niyama Nishtha, with rules and regulations, following all rules and regulations. Look at that, all the great sages taking dip, doing snanam in this Ganga Nadi. Oh Sita, on other side you can see all the great munis, rishis. They have finished their snanam. They did take the dip in Ganga Nadi, and while standing in the Ganga Nadi, they are doing Sandhya Vandanam and Suryopasana. How beautiful that scene is. Look at that. Oh Sita, now I am feeling that this stay in this Chitrakutam is more and more happier than the stay in Ayodhya. O Sita, Vidhuta Kalushaihi Siddhaihi Tapodama Samanvitaha. All the great sages, great rishis, having conquered all their sensory organs, having been doing so much of tapas, they have completely washed out their sins. Such great people taking snanam, doing snanam in this Ganga Nadi. With the touch of their feet, this Ganga is also getting purified. O Sita, In this Ganga, let both of us have a dip in this Ganga, take snanam in this Ganga Nadi. O Sita, now you should not be missing Ayodhya at all, because you can definitely think all the animals and all the entities over here is like our Ayodhya people. You can definitely think that this Chitrakutam itself is our Ayodhya. You start feeling that this Ganga Nadi is our Sarayu Nadi. Like that, let us make home here and let us be happy. You know what, Sita? I am very happy because you are always good to me. And you are always very much favorable to me. And also, Lakshmana never goes against me. With both of you, I am feeling very happy, and I can definitely take 3 times dip in this Ganga Nadi and enjoy eating all the fruits and herbs over here and honeys over here, and I don't really remember Ayodhya. I don't care that kingdom at all now. Oh Sita, like this, nasosti yasyat agataklamasukhi. Not only me, take anyone, the moment they get to see this Ganga Nadi, the moment they get to take a dip in this Ganga Nadi, on this earth, who would not get peace of mind, Sita? That is what I am also getting now. This is all because the power of the effulgence of great river Ganga, sacred river Ganga. Like this, Ramachandra Swami is conversing with Sitamma very formally. Bahusangatam vachaha Ramo iti varamo. Bahusangatam vachaha. Like this, Ramachandra Swami having a nice relaxed conversation with Sitamma and going here and there on Chitrakutam, and finally they sat at one place. At that time, there comes a big sound. Where from that sound is coming? Bharata along with his army, they are approaching almost close to that Chitrakutam. That is why that kind of a big sound is coming to Sita Ramachandra Swami. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 32nd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaha Pavanaha Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakritkantaha Kamaha Kamapradah Prabhuhu. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Prabhave Namaha. Om Prabhave Namaha. Om Prabhave Namaha.